Okay, next in the edit menu, we're going to look at the tool selection. I have a few choices under here and a couple different ways to get to them. Let's take a look at that. Okay, here we've got our VO sample file open again, and we're going to go up to the edit menu and to the tool menu. And you can see right now that I've really only got two choices available to me. I've got the edit tool and the magnify tool. And the edit tool is the standard default. It's just the cursor like you see here. It's the I bar that you can move to wherever you want to in your file to make a selection point and pick a spot to click and drag from to make a bigger selection. You then also can zoom in this way as well too. You have the magnify tool, and so you can actually zoom in on a section by stretching out and highlighting it and then zooming in and even going in further and going in further, etc., etc. So it's a quick way to zoom in and out. Now, also under here, you can see that there are some other tools, but they're grayed out. Now, when I get in this far, I now have the pencil tool available to me. Pencil tool does not become available until you're only zoomed into a certain level of zoom. Let's back out here. And you can see up here, I have the same tools available up here. Here's my edit tool, my magnify tool, and my pencil tool. If I'm on, let's select the pencil tool, and let me zoom back out, and you can watch up here, and you'll notice that the pencil tool will become grayed out at a certain level of magnification. So we're zooming back out, and boom, there it is. The pencil tool is no longer available to me. It's only until you zoom in to a certain level, and it's at 1 to 32, that the pencil tool becomes available, and that you can actually take the pencil tool and draw on the waveform. And where that becomes really handy is if you've got a clip someplace and you've got just, well, let's zoom back out to normal. And let's look at this little gunk right here. I've got some gunk right here on this file. Let's zoom in. It's a breath noise, as I recall. And let's zoom in quite a ways. And yeah, it's there. And what you can do is you can actually take the pencil tool and you can just draw it away. And I'm actually getting rid of the noise. So I can actually just draw a line that gets rid of all of that stuff. Now, this is really useful, and it's really helpful if you're in an area where you don't have a lot of other stuff going on around it. You've got to be careful that, because I mean, as you draw with this tool, you're drawing, yes, I am getting rid of the sound, but I'm also at the same time, I'm also, potentially drawing new sound in. Actually, I don't want, oops, there we go. I don't want that extra bit. See, now I'm getting a little sloppy here. So you can get rid of the sound by drawing with the drawing tool. Another way to get to these tools, besides up here in the tool menu up above, is you can do you can actually do Control D, and it will toggle you so you can go back between these tools. So you can Control D. We'll take you back there. You can see here that in the tool menu, it'll tell you, and you can just use the plain D to actually just toggle between the tools. So if I just hit D, so it switches my cursor, magnify, pencil, cursor, magnify, pencil. Quick way to switch between them, and it's a good shortcut. The other cool thing about the tools is that whatever data window you have open, you can tell what tool is currently active because it'll show its icon right here in the corner. So here I've got magnifier, pencil, cursor. You can just see that I can just toggle through them. I'm just hitting the D key over and over again. And there you go.